Daily Moisturizer, Twist and Define. This goes over there. Okay, so they have the Honey Miracle hair mask, and it's buy one get one 50% off, $17.99. But I have a CVS coupon, so I'm gonna try CVS to see if I can get it cheaper. Okay, so the Nivea is $5.49. Let's grab one of those. And here is that St. Ives Soothing Oatmeal and Shea Butter Body Wash. I'm gonna get that, and that's $3.99. So these are the fall scents for the hand wash for raw sugar. And here are the Myers fall scents. So this is the Mum scent. Then the apple cider. This is acorn spice. So this is the mango ginger tea. And I'm also gonna try one lemon ginger, but I don't see. They have stress relief, regular ginger. I want to try lemon ginger, but I only see that in this Bigelow brand. So I think I'm gonna do that. And here's the Kodiak Cakes Flapjacks, cinnamon maple, peanut butter. This is everything that I purchased from Target. So I picked up Mrs. Meyer's Lemon Verbena dish soap. But I don't use this as a dish soap. I use it to clean my makeup brushes. Yeah. I also picked up the Mrs. Meyer's Snowdrop scent. This is the multi-surface everyday cleaner, and it smells really good. I like it. I picked up Method all-purpose, the purple spray. The Dove for Men, the extra fresh. This is body and face wash. And I also picked up a travel size of that for my youngster. And I picked up Dove Deep Moisture Body Wash. Also the bar soap, and this is what I use to wash my face. The Dove Go Fresh deodorant wipes. These are excellent to carry in your gym bag or just take with you and have handy in case you're out walking and sweating. They're good to wipe off your underarms and your neck so that you can feel fresh. But you don't use it on your private area. This is just for, and I don't even think you use these for your face. Let me see. No, so you apply them to neck, chest, and underarms as needed. So no face, no private areas. But I love these. And gotta have wet ones in the car all the time. This is the citrus scent. The St. Ives Soothing Oatmeal and Shea Butter Body Wash. Nivea Shea Daily Moisture Lotion. And then I picked up a few hand soaps, and this is by the brand Raw Sugar. This is raw coconut and mango. And I also picked up the lemon sugar scent. I picked up 2 of the antiseptic mouthwash, and this is the Target brand, the Up and Up. And also the Target brand of Act. If you're familiar with that, the fluoride mouth rinse. This is the Target brand of that. And oh, there's a few toothpaste. This is the Arm & Hammer Bright and Strong. This has baking soda in it. And I started using this a few weeks back. And it, because normally when I brush my teeth with regular toothpaste like Crest or Colgate, my stomach gets upset. But since I've been trying this, I've had no problem. And I know it's because of the baking soda keeping my stomach calm. But yeah, this is great. So I picked up 2 of these. And then I'm always going through my tea. So I picked up another Yogi Mango Ginger Tea. And then I wanted to try another ginger brand, well, another tea with ginger in it. So I picked up the Bigelow brand Lemon Ginger. So I will let you guys know how I like this. And that's it for Target. Target did have, I wanted the TGIN Honey Miracle hair mask. But Target had it for $17.99. And it was buy one of their items, get one 50% off. But I knew that I had a 40% off coupon from CVS. So I stopped at CVS. And the regular price of this was $16.99. I'm sorry, $16.79. But I used the coupon and it took $6.72 off. The total was $10.07. So that's not bad because at Target it was $17.99. So I used the coupon and got it for $10.07. So I can't wait to try this. And I'm trying this because Jackie Naturals, if you're not familiar with Jackie, then head on over to her channel and check her out. But yes, she had nothing but high praises for this product. So I'm excited to try it. And of course, I wanted to show you guys this. I'm sure if you go to CVS, then you're familiar with this. This is where the receipt ends. And this is just coupons. Look how long this is. That's so crazy. It's coupons like $1 off. $1 off of nuts, $2 off of a health brand, $3 off of Milani products. It's too much. CVS, stop. Please, stop. It's too much paper. Too much. So anyway, that's it for the haul. I want to send a big shout out to the first 2 people that watched and commented on my last video. And they are King Art 70, Husky and Wolf Dog. So that's pretty much it for my Target haul. If you have any questions for me, just leave them down in the comments and I will reply to you. If you haven't done so already, feel free to hit that subscribe button so that you will be notified of when I upload my videos. I hope you have a great and productive day, and I will see you next time. Bye.